Good day, everyone. I am presenting Thread Reborn, a sustainable fashion brand that transforms scrap fabric into crocheted fashion pieces. Our goal is to challenge fast fashion by proving that discarded materials can still become stylish, creative, and wearable products. So, fast fashion has become a major problem on our environment today. Many clothing brands produce cheap and trendy clothes quickly, which leads to massive waste and pollution. Most clothes are only worn a few times before being thrown away. Because of this, tons of fabric end up in landfills every year. To help reduce this problem, we created Thread Reborn. Instead of throwing away fabric scraps, we reuse them by turning them into yarn strips and crocheting them into new pieces such as bags, outfits, tops, and accessories, and also for home decor. This allows us to create unique handmade products while promoting sustainability. So, how does it work? Our process is simple. First, we collect scrap fabrics from tailoring shops and unused clothings. Next, we cut and prepare the fabric into usable strips. Then we crochet them into fashionable handmade products. Through this process, waste materials become useful again. So, why does it matter? Thread Reborn is not just about fashion. It helps reduce textile waste, supports craftsmanship, and encourages people to practice slow and sustainable fashion. It also allows that fashion it also shows that fashion can still be creative and trendy without harming the environment. For the fashion inspiration, our designs are inspired by modern Filipino artists like Beanie and Cup of Joe. Beanie's bold and creative stage outfits and Cup of Joe's indie streetwear style show that young people are attracted to expressive fashion. Thread Reborn combines this trendy aesthetics with sustainability through crocheted and upcycled pieces. So for the our target market includes students, young adults, eco-conscious consumers, and people who appreciate handmade fashion. Since many young consumers are becoming more environmentally aware, sustainable fashion is becoming more relevant today. So, how do we differ with other people, other products, other clothes? Every pre every piece of we make is unique. Our handmade it is all handmade and sustainable, affordable eco fashion, and we use recycled materials. In conclusion, Thread Reborn proves that fashion doesn't need to create waste to be beautiful. By supporting sustainable and handmade products, we can reduce environmental impact while still expressing creativity and style. Thank you, and remember, wear change, not waste, because we choose fashion that helps the planet, and we are Thread Reborn. Thank you and God bless.